Okay, Saturday, May 17, 2020. Garden Balcony Oasis update. It is hot. Temperatures way above normal. High 90s. Supposed to hit 100 this week. So, did not anticipate this. We'll see how the garden grows. So, hibiscus seems to be doing pretty good after what appeared to be the stinking web mites. Looks like maybe a little bit. Ordered some neem spray. So if they start appearing everywhere, I'll try that and see if it works. Getting a couple of flowers on the lemon plant. Hopefully outdoors. Had a ton of flowers on it when I put it inside last winter, but nothing ever took off, even with me using a Q-tip and trying to help it along to pollinate. We'll see. Asiatic lilies, still waiting on those to bloom. Looks like they should probably bloom this week. Impatiens. They were kind of sickly looking even when I bought them, but they were cheap. So been debudding and watering, putting ice cubes on the soil in the morning, and then watering them at night, and that seems to have helped get the soil wet and not just run through. Calanch still doing well. May eventually replant that. Haven't decided whether to replant it in the regular container or replant them into a bigger pot. And then we've finally got something happening with the gold organic potato. It has finally started off. Our green beans have risen and doing well, and the Lone Star russet has also grown quite big. I've put a cage over it, and my goal is to add some dirt, have some potting soil, and some cheap dirt from the dollar store that planted the peas in, and it's basically appears to be a lot of clay muck. So I'm gonna mix the other 2 bags of it with the potting soil, which is, I planted the cucumbers in it, and it is very almost like what do you call this stuff you put on top of garden beds, just little soil, a lot of wood, so great for drainage. So maybe if I mix the 2. And lime tree, got 2 limes on it, and they are definitely getting bigger this week, and a couple of lime buds. I won't get as many limes as I did last year, but slowly but surely. And also have a large tomato cage that I think will fit perfect in this kind of shallow barrel to wrap the cucumbers, vine them up. And fingerling potatoes still seem to be doing very well. Had a beautiful bud earlier, or flower, on this hyacinth, but it fell off. But we do have the calyx for it. So gonna let it dry out and start saving them for some hibiscus tea. Green beans in the back there. I've come up. And down here is a lily, Easter lily type, that I had bought on clearance after Easter for 99 cents. So we'll see if it doesn't regrow again next year like my Asiatic lilies have done. Dill starting to come up, and I think that's pretty much it. Oh, peas that I planted in these two little pots have not come up, but appears some dill is. So when I get the rest of the soil, and I got another pot coming, I'll try replanting some more peas. Okay, oh, benefits of container gardening is when they're down low to the ground, I can move them around to try to catch the sun. It's still pretty shaded, but things seem to be growing and doing well, and definitely my lemon and lime trees have flourished, even bringing them inside each winter. So they've done pretty good for I guess this is year 3 for them. So, okay. We will see you back next Saturday.